Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Michelle again. Today, do I have a story to tell you? So I got up at 4 as usual, witching hour. It's dark outside. There's nobody but me awake. So I go to the bathroom as usual and I hop on the scale for my experiment. You are not going to believe what I'm about to tell you. I should have taken a picture, but okay, you got to take my word for it. On the scale, it was 70.7. This is day 4. No, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is day 5, people. And remember yesterday, I weighed in at 71.7, was it? Let me think. The beginning, I was at 71.9. Then I went to 71. Oh, geez, I'm getting it mixed up. I'm going to do my homework and get back to you. All that I can tell you is, yes, I was at 71.4 yesterday, day 4. Today is day 5, and it's 70.7. So I lost somewhere overnight. That's 4 and 3, 700 grams. It blows my mind. Now, yesterday dinner was late, so I finished dinner around 7:20, so just 20 minutes late. But up to the point that I had dinner, I was still not feeling empty. And, I had something minimal to eat during my 8-hour window. This morning when I got up at 4, I did not feel empty. I had a cup of tea around 5 o'clock just because. I had a meeting at 10 this morning, so I left home around 9:15. And technically, I would be off my fast at 11:20. I did not get home until 12:20, and that's when I broke my fast, and I had a piece of my leftover apple bread pudding. Scrumptious, guys, lovely. And of course, my water. For lunch, I am doing lunch really light, so I had a small bowl of vegetable soup, 2 slices of bread, and that's it. I feel good so far, and of course, my trusty old friend. It's not doing too much so far, but okay, it'll get done, that's for sure. But this diet is really blowing my mind. So the first 2-3 days, it didn't seem like anything was happening. But now we're on day 5, and a big jump of 700 grams lost in 24 hours. I think this is really interesting. And now I'm really looking forward to day 6 and 7, which brings me to the topic that I want to talk about today, which is called patience and dedication. Now, I'm really anxious what's going to happen in 2 days, but of course I cannot fast forward time. So therefore I have to be patient. And in being patient, I have to be dedicated to the cause that I will get to the 7 days. It is an exercise for me. I'm exercising my patience muscle and my dedication and commitment muscle. Now, if I were at a point where all I really wanted to lose was 700 grams, on day 5, I'm already there, I could probably say, hell, I don't have to go any further. I achieved what I wanted. I'm going to stop now. But I'm not stopping now. I never set a target as to how much I needed to lose, but I did set a commitment that I would be doing this for 7 days. And that's where I'm standing right now. I'm not 100% over the fact that I'm not a lover of water and having to drink it all the time, but it's doing me good because it's flushing all the toxins from my body, and it's getting closer to a hot summer day. As a matter of fact, yesterday was 27 degrees and today it's 22. So, yes, drinking water is a good thing, not just to, do my diet, my 16 to 8 diet, but just to hydrate myself in any event. So, that's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for being here with me on this journey and being just as curious as I am. And I'm even curious how and what I will do in the end of these 7 days. As it stands right now, I'm thinking that I'm probably going to continue it for a few more days, just to see the outcome. Because 7 days is just 1 week. It's not a lot of time to base results on. But okay, it's a start. And I'm not biting off more than I can chew. I'm not going to commit to 2 weeks of this diet not knowing what to expect. But I think 7 days is a fair plan to see what it's like. So, that being said, guys, I am going outside to enjoy the sun. It's a beautiful day today. And I will see you tomorrow. When I get on that scale tomorrow morning, maybe I should take my camera, but I'm so sleepy at that point. I don't even think I'm going to think of it. But you never know. So I see you tomorrow, and thanks for being here. Bye.